All right, guys, today we visit Elkton, Kentucky, which is a small town in the Midwestern part of the United States. This is a harvest festival. They have it every year in October. They will shut down the streets and set up booths for people to sell crafts, to sell food, candies, have games and music and things like that. Just enjoy themselves on the town square. Now, the town square is built in the shape of a square, usually around the county courthouse. Around the square would be shops and stores. During the week and most days out of the year, they will be open for restaurants and shopping and things like that. During this festival, they celebrate the fall season. This city would be the county seat, and most of the business from the county would take place here as people would travel in from various parts of the area. Again, on this day, it's celebrating the fall season and all that comes with that. The weather's beginning to cool off, and people are able to enjoy themselves outside. And this beautiful, picturesque scene. And this small town is very indicative of many small towns across the Midwest in America. I hope you enjoy this video and get a taste for what it's like in a small town on a weekend during a festival. As with many small towns in the Midwest and the South, music plays a large part of this area, this region, and this community. So it's not unusual to have a live band playing music at a festival like this. Well, there you go. Elkton, Kentucky, Fall Festival. That's some good stuff.